Hey guys, check out this beautiful coffee table upcycle. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so great to have you here, Harry Dinkins, where creativity and DIY expertise collide. Today, I will show you how to transform an old tire into a cozy coffee table. First, I obtained an old tire, washed it, and let it dry. Next, I cut a 2 feet thick plywood round in shape to cover the holes. I used a drill and screws to secure the plywood, sealing the holes. Then I covered the tire with a 2-inch sponge, applying glue on the tire and the foam, waiting for 2 minutes before covering. After 2 minutes, I started covering my tire. As you can see, it was all covered, neat, the way I wanted it to be. I grabbed my staple gun. I checked the staple wires. I stapled the sponge on the tire using a staple gun for a neat finish. You know, it's crucial to have a neat finish. I flipped the tire and then did the same like what I did on the top. After that, I started trimming off the excess. If you have watched my video this far, please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell below for more notifications whenever we upload or whenever I upload more videos, and I have many. I'll be uploading one at a time. And don't forget to share, comment, like, and tell me what you think about this project. And let's be family. As you can see, my tire was all covered well and neat. And the next step was to get fiber, added it on top, using a staple gun still. This fiber helps us to maintain the shape and to enhance the coziness of your piece. In order everything to be accurate, I had to measure the area where I covered using fiber and mattress so that I get to know how big the fabric is needed to cover the whole tire. I got my fabric and I took measurements I got from the tire. After measuring and cutting my fabric, I started stapling it on the tire. Now, here it's crucial. When you're stapling, please don't allow the fabric to have ruffles because this is upholstery, it's not tufting. Sometimes round is tricky to staple, but I was giving it prints so that it is my work. I flipped the tire to begin working on the bottom where the legs are going to be. So I started stretching it properly. Here you have to stretch it and feel it so that your tire is intact. The work is really, really neat. So I began to staple the lining to give it a professional finishing and to look, fabulous. If you find this video helpful, Please appreciate me by subscribing. My tire got covered well and I was happy. The next thing was fixing on legs. But before fixing on those legs, you have to first measure where each leg is going to be in order they're comfortable to have balance. I got that bit, the drill and screws. So I started fixing the legs. So my coffee table was firm, the legs were firm. I turned my coffee table and it was time to bring my mirror and see the beauty coming in. That's my mirror. It was 6 millimeters. Yeah, thickness, right? I had to clean it with a tissue. So, boom, that's my coffee table. Beautiful and giving a statement. I've been Harriet Dinkins. Blessings to my husband, Robert Dinkins. See you in the next video. Bye.